Hi everyone. I just want to thank all my subscribers, my new subscribers, my old subscribers, for everyone who joined my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thanks for all your likes and your subscription. And I want to say hi to Jen Spice for all her comments, and there's some other people that I'm going to give shout out to. Royal Appleberry Kenny from Royal Appleberry. Hi to you guys. And my number one soaping, she is my soaping guru, Karen from Eden Secret. Hi Karen. And I forgot. I have to write these things down because I forget. But everyone whether you make bath bombs, whether you make soap, candles, whatever you make, and you're on this channel, thank you so much for being here. Anyways, let's get to the goodies here. Today I am making the base, and it's all white today. I'm making the base for my, and I did not add my citric acid to this, but I will. That was the liquid soap for, I'm using my liquid soap. I have a liquid soap that I make, and I think I have a video of a hot process liquid soap that I made. I think I have a video up if you want to look and see how I made it. And I think I left a recipe, so it's for the recipe is for those who make soap already, but today it's all about the bath bomb. And what's in the recipe here? What's in my my ingredients? Baking soda, of course. I didn't put in the citric acid yet. I will. Baking soda, I have in here I think 7 ounces of baking soda, just in case you want to try this recipe. Okay, yeah, sorry, 6 ounces of baking soda, cream of tartar 1.6 ounces, coconut milk, 0.9 ounce of coconut milk, arrowroot powder 1 ounce, and my liquid soap is 0.8 ounces, and my castor oil solubilizer that I'm using with my fragrance and such, it's about 0.15 ounces. And yeah, my fragrance differ because companies are different, density and such, and the strength. This is very strong, so I'm using very little fragrance. Altogether I think 0.23 ounces of fragrance. And I'm using e-oils. Peppermint I'm using 4 drops, and clove 2 drops. And I'm using for fragrance peppermint candy. It's very pepperminty. I'm using peppermint and that's Windy Point. It's a crafter's choice, so anybody that carries crafter's choice, you can get that. And I think I have a rustic essential. Alright guys, so I'm finished mixing my citric acid in here, and I did spritz some water, distilled water. And let me tell you a little bit about the fragrance blend that I did. Ooh, this is a good one. I remember the scent. It smells so similar to I got a sample from Lush, a sample soap, last December around the Christmas time, and it was something igloo, and I tried to make the soap, and it was pretty much close to that scent, and this is what I'm smelling. It's smelling a whole lot like that scent. I mean, the clove in here and the peppermint together, and the foresty, woodsy scent. Really, everything just rung off really nice. So if I get a picture, I'll try to look for a picture and put it up so you can see what I'm talking about. And usually I use my cookie cutter, but this embed I'm using for my Marineland inspiration bath bomb, because this is Marineland, Canada Marineland bath bomb that I'm trying to make here. And I have to use this cup here. Good thing I have it, this round cup, to use this round cup. And I'm putting this as my embed and just pack it in there. And I will do that, and I'll be quiet because I need to concentrate on what I am doing here. And I don't want this to be a long video because editing is just really annoying. I will get on with the next one, and the next, and the next. Okay, so I am finished. I did get 2 out of this same size, and I'm not finished with these yet. I'm just gonna move this over, and I want to do a cupcake. I want to do a cupcake. I have some left here. Oh, which is still nice and wet. Oh, beautiful. Oh, today it's raining out there. I'm gonna put some of my Marineland I'm gonna put some of this into this and give it a bit of a, oh, I hope it isn't. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. And I'm going to pack it. so I am back to pipe the cupcake and to decorate my the rest of my bath bomb. I already have my cup set up with my piping bag, and I have a Wilton tip in there. It's 6B Wilton tip. It gives a nice and this is like, today is like a hot, humid day. This is my bubble frosting. It's not as bubbly because I'm using my cream soap with this. I use cream soap, baking soda, and cream of tartar. And I'm using 50% rubbing alcohol to keep everything nice and wet. Wet my cupcake. I'm using 99% rubbing alcohol so that it sticks to the cupcake. Because if I don't do that, it does not stick. Right off. And I'm just gonna make like a pasty. Just rub it in there so that that frosting can stick on there. Put these fish on top, like dolphins, beautiful dolphins. I want to put these at the top, so